Welcome to your wine country retreat, a fantastic property located in sought-after Willamette Valley wine country with its own hobby vineyard. Enjoy captivating views of the valley and surrounding vineyards. A long, quiet drive takes you to this exceptional property, which includes an 18-row Pinot Noir vineyard, solid custom-built home, an extensive shop with additional double RV bays on 8.65 acres. The inviting living room features oversized windows looking out at the vineyards and landscaping. It opens to the dining room with views of its own. In the sunken, vaulted family room, relax by the huge wood-burning fireplace. From here, head out to your expansive deck and built-in fire pit, surrounded by gorgeous landscaping. The kitchen features heated tile flooring, an amazing amount of storage and custom pullouts, solid oak custom-made cabinets, peaceful views, a gas cooktop with a grill plus a built-in wine cabinet. On one side of the home is an office or fourth bedroom. And on the other side, additional bedrooms, including your spacious master bedroom with access to the deck. You'll find 2 additional bedrooms. Savor gorgeous views in this perfectly tranquil setting. Make s'mores by the fire pit, or unwind and recharge in the built-in hot tub. In the giant attached garage, you'll love the full kitchen, tons of cabinet space, and a built-in workstation. The 40 by 60 foot shop has 2 14-foot roll-up doors and a 10-foot roll-up door, plus a potential guest area of 480 square feet with a full bath and a temperature-controlled wine storage room. The RV shop also has full hookups with room for 2 huge RVs with sliding door access. Spanning between the home and finished space in the shop is approximately 3,034 square feet. Enjoy the peaceful comforts of the country with the convenience of being only minutes from entertainment, shopping, and services in Newburgh and Sherwood. An exceptional home, property, and hobby vineyard. It's ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Maria Di Lorenzo Smith or Tiffany Rider with Premier Property Group.